sleep again. Take me away, off to a dream, and then I'll fly so high across the sky and wake in a new place where mistakes of...
So after we saw the sharks, we started looking at the jellyfish, and they're all different types of jellyfish, and I really like jellyfish, but I love sharks even more, because sharks are like these majestic creatures, and they're really beautiful, and people always say they're deadly. I mean, some of them are, but not a lot of them are. There are a lot of different types of sharks, and most of them are harmless. Yeah, so here are some jellyfish to brighten up everybody's day.
Once upon a time, yes, a very long time ago, lived a family noble and old, whose children are very close, and on it goes. Hey, do it right now, to your throne, the butler starts the show. Ready, go, a knife and a bolt to point in your face, will take you any day. After all, we're noble, the middle class is scared, that's the rich and frail, so don't ever look down on us. So down to us, you peasants, study as your prince and princess. We're here to call to attention all of your mistakes. Hold up, trying again. What do you bet? You can't see through anything I throw at you. Right, I'll leave them under you since you want it so bad. You're just so annoying, God, just so annoying. Acting high and mighty, you run me like your dog queen. Ready, aim and fire, gun that never tires. Rioting tonight, it's a war, but not a fist fight. Causing so much trouble, see my mischief double. Come on, boy, you gotta admit that I'm doing it now. I'm buying at this special bargain sale. I thank you for your precious service, meet you fair and square. Yeah. Back to pecking away, retrieve, but have an idea to beat. Giving into her pure all goals, we're head to head and toe to toe. Who the hell do you think I am? Yeah, I know, but that's lame. Calling me so dumb, thinking I'll run. Maybe your melody's not so bad. No, everyone come and take your hands, please. It's only natural that I'm trying. If you really didn't know I cheat by nature, always looking for that one thing greater.